What's the meaning of autocue? Autocue. Autocue.
Autocue. Autocue. Autocue refers to a device that displays scripted text for a presenter or speaker in a television or live event. The purpose of an autocue is to help the presenter deliver scripted content fluently and confidently, without needing to memorize the text. The device displays the text on a screen or monitor, which is positioned in front of the presenter, in a way that is not visible to the audience. This enables the presenter to read from the script while maintaining eye contact with the audience, giving the impression of fluency and spontaneity.